Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Comparing new pedestrian detection systems, 2024 vs 2025 models. As we step into a new era of automotive innovation, pedestrian detection systems have become a crucial feature in keeping our streets safer. But how do the 2024 and 2025 models stack up against each other? In this video, we'll explore the key differences in these systems, highlighting advancements in technology and features. With more vehicles on the road, ensuring pedestrian safety is more important than ever. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of what to expect in the latest models and how these changes can enhance your driving experience. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking to make informed decisions, this comparison will shed light on what's new and improved. Overview of pedestrian detection systems. Pedestrian detection systems are crucial technologies in modern vehicles. They help identify pedestrians on or near the road, enhancing safety for everyone. With traffic accidents involving pedestrians on the rise, these systems play a vital role in preventing collisions and saving lives. By using advanced sensors and cameras, cars equipped with pedestrian detection can see their surroundings just like a driver does, but often provide a quicker response. What are pedestrian detection systems? Pedestrian detection systems use a combination of sensors and software to spot pedestrians. These systems rely on cameras. High-definition cameras capture images of the road ahead. Radar. This technology helps gauge distance and movement. Lidar. Uses light detection to create a detailed map of the surroundings. Together, these technologies scan the environment in real time to locate pedestrians. When a pedestrian is detected, the system may alert the driver or even apply the brakes automatically if necessary. This quick reaction can be the difference between a close call and a serious accident. Why are they important? The significance of pedestrian detection systems cannot be overstated. Consider these points. Reduced accidents. These systems reduce the likelihood of collisions between vehicles and pedestrians. Awareness. They serve as an extra set of eyes for drivers, creating safer environments. Insurance benefits. Vehicles equipped with these safety features may have lower insurance rates. Regulatory requirements. Some regions mandate these systems in new vehicles, emphasizing their importance. As cities grow and more pedestrians share the road, the need for effective safety measures increases. A car that can detect pedestrians not only protects the individual but also contributes to safer streets for all. How do they work? Understanding how pedestrian detection systems function offers insight into their effectiveness. Here's a simplified breakdown. Detection. Sensors continuously monitor the area around the vehicle. Recognition. The software analyzes the data and identifies potential obstacles, like pedestrians. Decision-making. If a pedestrian is detected in a critical zone, the system assesses whether a collision is possible. Action. Depending on the threat level, the system may alert the driver or intervene by applying brakes. This quick process illustrates how advanced technology enhances driver awareness and response, making roads safer for everyone involved. These systems represent a significant step forward in car safety technology, changing the way drivers interact with their environments. As we shift to newer models, improvements in pedestrian detection systems will only continue to evolve, making them more reliable and efficient. Key features of 2024 pedestrian detection systems. The 2024 pedestrian detection systems come packed with advanced technology to enhance safety for both drivers and pedestrians. These systems aim to reduce accidents and protect vulnerable road users. Let's explore the key features that set these models apart. Sensor technology. In 2024, pedestrian detection systems utilize a combination of sensors to improve detection capabilities. The most common types include radar. These sensors use radio waves to detect objects around the vehicle. They can operate in various weather conditions, making them reliable for constant monitoring. Lidar. This technology uses laser beams to measure distances. Lidar can create detailed 3D maps of the environment, allowing vehicles to identify pedestrians and obstacles accurately. Cameras. Visual data from cameras play a crucial role. They can recognize different shapes and colors. Sophisticated image processing techniques allow systems to identify pedestrians, even in low light. Using a multi-sensor approach combines the strengths of each technology, leading to better overall performance. Imagine having a team of different specialists working together to ensure that no pedestrian goes unnoticed. Software algorithms. The brains behind the operation lie in the software algorithms of these systems. In 2024, manufacturers have focused on enhancing the detection capabilities through improved algorithms. Here are some significant advancements. Machine learning. These algorithms learn from vast datasets, allowing the system to recognize various scenarios, like a pedestrian suddenly stepping onto the road. Real-time processing. The upgraded software processes information in real time. This means the car can react almost instantly to changes in its environment. Predictive analytics. New algorithms can anticipate pedestrian movements. For instance, if someone appears to be waiting to cross the road, the system can prepare to react accordingly. These developments help the system distinguish pedestrians from other objects, significantly reducing false alarms. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll explore specific features and real-world performance. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.